是完全没机会能够打成2-0啊。
对，那这个球是在一垒手的正面，要接近手套，并且自踩垒包。我们要恭喜乐天桃园拿下了中华职棒36。
On October 27th, 2025, the Rakuten Monkeys became the newest champion sports team of the Rakuten Group by beating the CTBC brothers in the Taiwan Series. In Game 5, trailing by 4 runs, the Monkeys dramatically tied in the 8th inning to force extra innings. Then, in the 11th inning, they hit a 2-run home run to clinch an amazing 9-7 win. The victory marked the team's 8th championship in franchise history and their first since being acquired by Rakuten Group in 2020. Although it was an away game for the Monkeys, the travelling fans showed their passionate support in the stadium. Meanwhile, in the team's home city of Taoyuan, many more fans who'd gathered in front of a big screen to watch the game celebrated the long-awaited moment of victory with huge cheers. The following weekend, upon the team's return to Taoyuan, they were greeted by tens of thousands of fans who lined the streets of the parade route.
桃园最强，Rakuten最强。好，乐天这是拿到总冠军等了6年，因为从南美国开始开始转2019年转到2020开始到现在，我们已经经历过5次的野3趴，然后第6次终于尝到那个总冠军的果实，是很开心。就是我希望乐天桃园明年再拿到2连霸，2连总冠军，2连霸，加油加油加油！
从国中的时候跟朋友一起从拉米狗开始看，然后转卖到乐天后就一直支持到现在。 我觉得就是很不错，因为就可以带动整个桃园或是整个地区性，然后让更多人支持棒球，支持台湾的棒球，或是支持自己地区的一个体育性的项目这样。我有这张乐天信用卡，是从乐天开始有这支球队的时候就已经有办这张卡了，然后就是一直换卡，一直换卡，一直换卡，对。
乐天信用卡除了球场买1送1之外，还会有主题日，主题日可以免费进场哦，欢迎大家去做申办。
For me, the Rakuten is like family. Oh, and when I come to Taoyuan, it is like coming home. And I love everybody here, and I love the team, and I love the fact that we're the best fans in Taiwan.
As well as cheering on the parade and celebrating with each other, some lucky fans also got the opportunity to meet and congratulate their heroes in person at a special event in the evening. And the ever-popular Rakuten girls were also there to add even more joy to the festivities.
那我相信从这一整年下来，慢慢的，其实你们球迷也是跟我们球队一样，我们 可能没有那么稳定，但就是慢慢凝聚吧。还有一个题外话是，你们在讲什么，其实我们都知道，不用担心。但我们也没有因为这样，然后去影响到我们。那你们也很团结，我们很团结。那希望我们球队可以打出一支让桃园市民骄傲的球队，好不好？那最后，我还是要感谢你们这些球迷们。 我要跟你们说一句，你们是有的。
最後はこの前で、特設ステージで、モニターを見て応援してくださった本当にファンの姿を見て本当に感動しました。そういう力が選手を奮い立たせて不思議な力で、台湾一になれたと本当に。 ファンの皆様の声援のおかげだと感謝しております。今シーズン戦った選手の頑張りに本当に感謝します。もっともっと皆さんの笑顔が見たいんで、また来年もパレードができるよう しっかり頑張ります。
We caught up with the Rakuten Monkeys CEO Korki Makino for his thoughts on the victory.
First of all, I'd like to thank the players, coaching staff, and all of Rakuten Monkeys organization for their amazing efforts throughout the season. And of course, a big thank you to the fans for their incredible support. It was a season of ups and downs, but I feel the team has come through it more united and more stronger than ever. I'm overjoyed that we could finally deliver the first championship as Rakuten Monkeys, and I hope this is just the first of many more.
The Rakuten Monkeys will continue to energize and empower the people of Taiwan.